Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about PancakeSwap. In this video, I do think PancakeSwap will be making a new lower low. I'm expecting it to have one more final flush, 30 cents from currently where we're trading around $2.62. I do expect we will take out the June low that we made last year, down sitting at around $2.48. So as you can see here, you guys can put this exact same trend line in. It's a down sloping trend line. You connect it to the all-time highs that we made back in April and early May during 2021 during the bull market. You can see it hammered against this trend line many times as resistance. We then finally had a breakout. Lots of people would have got suckered into longs here. They would currently be way down on their trades, even potentially liquidated. You can see that we are currently getting very close to the all-time low. We're only about, probably less than 5% away from taking out this all-time low. Yeah, around 3%. So I do expect we will take out the low. I do expect we will get one more final flush down around 30 cents, and that will take us to $2.30 to $2.35, somewhere in that vicinity. Now, I've also got some resistance trend lines here. You can see this area here, it hammered against it many times and it couldn't close above. You can also see there's a very clear gap in the VPVR here. So that means if we do ever get above $4.80, I do expect a price to pop up into the next area of resistance, and that would be at around the $5.75 level right here. Now in the short term, I am still bearish. Like I said, I do expect one more final flush, but I just do want to leave that in mind if we do get above that area. I do not think we will get above that area anytime soon. In the short term, I would be targeting lower levels. We'll just let the VPVR load in here. So in the very short term, like I said, I would expect one more final flush, 30 cents lower. As you can see, I would enter into a long position down at around $2.30 to $2.35. I would play that for a large bounce back up into these areas of resistance. So you can see this area here, it acted as it kept hammering against it as support. We did have that one falter through, but it did quickly get back above the very next candlestick. So I would expect your very first area to act as resistance would be around $2.85. So if you're to play that for a bounce, I personally will be playing this area for a bounce in the next coming days. If we do quickly drop down to that level, that's at a bounce at around 23% from $2.30. So a very nice percentage bounce. Now your very next area would be this area here at around $3.13. As you can see, it almost had a double bottom here, and then it had a very large pop straight back up into resistance. Now, another trend line that I just noticed now, if we extend from the lows down here and we connect it up here, we'll just pull this down a bit. If we connect it to the all-time low and we connect up to these wicks here and the body candle closes, as you can see, this would be my third area to take profit. So if we do get filled at $2.30 to $2.35, in between that 5-cent range, I would expect your very first level $2.85, your next resistance level $3.13, and your final resistance level to cash out your entire position would be this upsloping trend line. I just realized that just now, as it has many points of confluence touching. So that's upsloping. Let's say maybe by June, early June this year, we're talking around $3.18, and if we go out to July, we're talking almost just shy of $4. However, in the short term, yes, I would be targeting these lower levels as resistance, and potentially if we ever get very overextended from the bounce from down the lows here, that would be your final area to act as resistance. So anyway, guys, they're your three levels you want to be watching for Cake in the very short term. I do expect this cryptocurrency to have one more final flush down in price. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. 𝗕𝗪𝗓𝗓 out. Peace.